पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So this is the mantra for Shanti. We will be using this a lot in the healing process. हम जब भी अपने शरीर को हील करेंगे इस मंत्र का इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम लोग। Today we will answer the zillions of questions that have come to me through different platforms, whether it's email or my Insta post or my Facebook. So the question number one is, what age should I start Kalaripayat at? I am 40 years old. First things first, there's no such thing as what age, when, how, where. Are you ready? Does your mind, does your body want you to start it? Yes, it doesn't matter even if you're 55 years old. It doesn't matter if you're 18 years old. If you feel like starting, the body, the mind, the spirit wants you to start something new. So yes, there's no age. How? Find a great teacher, find an institute, find a friend who can just initiate you into it. Slowly, just start. Start with lifting your legs, start with stretching your spine, just start. Once you start, you will be able to realize or decide whether you want to continue it or not. Chances are, yes, you would want to. So, we've had these questions, and what I want to do is I'll read them, most of them, and as many as I can today, I will try and answer. It's always better if you can send me a X-ray or a MRI or something of yours so that I can go through it whilst we are free at this moment. Then I will let you know what I think I have done for my body and we can use it. One of the question is, what kind of body will last the longest? Is muscles important or flexibility? See, the body will last the longest. What kind is not the question. The question should be how. So because I used to do a lot of heavy weight lifting professionally, built a great body. It's all good. It's good for strength. But our system is divided into a lot of sections. In Kalaripayat, we are taught about all the sections of the human body, which are primarily divided in 6 parts. One is the muscular system, one is the cardiovascular system, the respiratory system, the visceral system, the neuromuscular system. So these systems, if you're aware of, you will be able to live very healthy and long. सवाल रहा किस तरह का शरीर आपको चाहिए होता है, digestive system also included. Because I've been studying a lot of people who've been professionally bodybuilding, and I've been watching the journeys. I've been watching a lot of monks. I've been watching a lot of my gurus. I think this is my personal experience that if you are really flexible and if you're really, your mobility is high, people like this last longer, healthier. Muscles after a certain age do not develop the way they should. So flexibility, number one. Joint mobility, आपके जोड़ जितने भी हैं, आपके जितने भी joints हैं जो जुड़ते हैं शरीर में, उनकी हर डायरेक्शन में मोबिलिटी. जिस तरह से मैं पुशअप्स दिखाता हूँ, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, एल्बो, शोल्डर, हमारे शरीर में 300 से ऊपर बोन्स हैं. इन हड्डियों को किस तरह से मोबाइल किया जाए, वो सबसे ज़रूरी है. हर हड्डी के बारे में जानिए. डॉक्टर्स हमें, अगर हम किसी एक डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, वो नी स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं, वो नी के बारे में बताएंगे. आपका शरीर है, you should research as much as you can, you should, and then figure out what is weak, what is strong. What is strong, you should work on it to keep it strong. What is weak, you should work harder on it. So it's not difficult, but रहा जवाब आपके सवाल का, लंबी रेस का घोड़ा बनना है तो आपकी बॉडी में काफ़ी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए, आपके जॉइंट्स काफ़ी मोबाइल होने चाहिए. और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज करने के लिए कोई एक पर्टिकुलर एज नहीं होती है, जॉइंट्स को मोबाइल करने के लिए कोई एज नहीं होती है. Slowly, steadily, you move, and we've been doing a lot of bone prana द ब्रीदिंग इनटू द बोन्स, हमारी प्राणा शक्ति को अंदर घुमाना, वो काफ़ी है। उनको आप देखिए किस तरह से किया हमने, वो बहुत अहम है। Some of the questions are, I am very thin, how do I gain weight? People make fun of me. Then I have a spinal injury. I went to all the doctors and there's been no cure. Okay. I haven't been walking because of an injury in the ankle and some muscle pain. It's been 7 years now. Sapna says she's a classical dancer and had GBS virus, left her with zero strength. She's very weak and she started swimming and more importantly wants to dance. Okay, my eyes are weak. I'm 23 years old. I can see a major change now. All right. I'm very thin. Yeah, number one, this whole thing of I'm thin, I'm fat should be kept aside. What people say should not really matter. That is exercise number one. उनको लगता है बहुत पतले हैं, कमज़ोर हैं, उनको लगता है बहुत मोटे हैं और मूव नहीं कर पाते। हर आदमी का शरीर एक अलग तरीके से बना होता है। We need to just love our bodies. Number one, you have to stop thinking or listening to what people are saying. How do you do it? You need to know that people will talk, whether they will talk good or they will talk bad. You need to know this for sure. If they're talking bad, you don't have to worry about it. If they're talking good, you should accept it, enjoy it. This is the most important thing for us to develop ourselves. किस तरह से हम आगे जाएं अपनी जिंदगी में. If you're thin, you should do things which will make you strong. Not try to gain weight, try to be looking in a certain way. पतले लोगों में बहुत क्षमता होती है. There's a saying, what a needle can, a sword can't. So एक जो सुई काम कर सकती है वो तलवार नहीं कर सकती. ये आपको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I will do a nutrition special, but in the meanwhile you should look for somebody who has knowledge, understand what is healthy for you, what will make you strong. If you're thin, you just need to be strong. If you're thin and you're strong, please do not worry. I have a lot of my friends who are like really thin, but brilliant with flexibility, brilliant with mobility. Use them, make them into skills. You will see that you're not just anybody. You are a thin, strong, flexible man or a woman. We'll work on it. Especially with women who want to lose weight. Number one, why? If you think it will make you look beautiful, make sure you lose weight. But whilst you're losing it, you need to work on all the strength of your body. The strength that you have in kilos, in the mass that you have, uska istemal kariye. We'll do a nutrition special, and I promise you we'll figure out what suits you best. Every individual has a different way. Every individual has a different DNA. So we need to figure it out. We will work on it. Sapna, the classical dancer who has GBS virus, was left with zero strength. See, strength, I agree. If you have zero strength, that means you can't move at all. So if you can move, you have little strength. Right now, I can't think of any supplementation, but this is where supplements come in. A lot of bodybuilders ask me, a lot of young boys and girls ask me, sir, what supplement should I take? Supplement is something that you supply to your body when your body is not naturally producing it. हम लोग कई बार क्या होता है, विटामिन सी इतनी खा लेते हैं या विटामिन डी इतनी खा लेते हैं कि हमारे शरीर की जो अंदर से क्षमता होती है वो प्रोड्यूस करने की वो बंद हो जाता है. लाइक अ सिस्टम इज डिवाइन. देयर इज नथिंग, नो मैकेनिज्म इन द वर्ल्ड that is made like our system. For example, you start taking vitamin D. Example के लिए आपको लगता है आपकी बोन्स के लिए आपके शरीर में कमी हो रही है और आप लेना शुरू कर देते हैं. आपके शरीर को सिग्नल मिलता है कि आपके बॉडी में the chemical of vitamin D is enough, and from the outside source, that is the sun, it stops taking it, or the other sources which are natural. I would preferably tell you that see what is good for the bones, the food that is natural, that is organic, figure it out and work on it. Once you start working on it, you will know what suits your body the most. So for Sapna, yes, you have no strength. Let's figure out a supplement that gives you little strength so that you can start moving more than you do normally. You said you can swim, you enjoy swimming, you go to the swimming pool. For me, when I had an injury on my hip, I used to swim and I used to make my hip move a lot. पानी के अंदर हमारा जो शरीर होता है, उसकी जो बोन का वेट होता है वो काफ़ी कम हो जाता है, मसल्स का वेट कम हो जाता है. सो उसको हम कई कई एंगल्स पे घुमा सकते हैं. एज द डांसर हु लाइक्स टू डांस एंड हु वांट्स टू डू डांसिंग, start dancing in the pool. Enjoy the pleasure of moving in the pool. You will see your body has that alacrity, it has the zest. So try that. In the meanwhile, we will see all your papers and we will figure out what is the best for you. Haven't been walking because of an injury. See, walking is not the only way you become fit. It's the most important way, the easiest way, the most natural way. But with walking, I personally believe you need to know what muscles are used when you walk. आपका एक हाथ आगे जाता है, आपका एक पाँव पीछे जाता है. You have to stop yourself and watch where is your muscle being used. There's a muscle that is over here which is being used. There's a muscle that is over here that is being used. There's a muscle from the back which is being used. उन muscles को अगर आप walk नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, activate करिए. I will do a program very soon for people who do not walk or run or can't, but feel that they need those muscles to be activated so that you don't gain weight, your muscles are strong. I will do a session soon. Then eyes are weak. Eyes are weak. Like for me, because I had a great guru who taught me how to use my eyes for reflexes, for moving it, to be able to sharp. I was trained under great darkness, under great light. So eyes have about 6 muscles. The socket is like this. 6 muscle होती हैं उनकी. उन अगर आप मसल्स को एक्टिवेट करना सीख जाएं, some people are far sighted, some people are short sighted, you should be able to know where is your muscle of the eye getting stuck. So for example, if you have to look from the left to the right, you look so slowly, you will see your eyeball vibrate a bit. That's where the weakness is. I fixed my eyes up. There was a time I couldn't really read properly, and I was like, oh my god, I'm losing eyesight. Spectacles, my personal opinion, because you can heal your eyes at any age. It's an easy process. There's a whole eye program I will put out for you. You can fix your eyes. You can be farsighted, myopic, anything. You can fix it with exercises. जो हमारी आई बॉल होता है वो 100% पानी होता है, उसको पकड़ा जाता है मसल से. उन मसल्स की जो मूवमेंट होती है वो जहाँ वीक हो जाती है, आपकी आईसाइट कम हो जाती है.